Welcome. Today we are going to be creating a Facebook page. This Facebook page is going to be for my Imagine Digital store. Why would you want to create a Facebook page? Unlike your main page, which in my case here is Christopher Edwards, I don't want to be posting all the things I'm interested in on my page. For instance, I make digital products, I cook, I travel, I play games. I don't want all of that bundled up on my main page. So I'm going to go ahead and create dedicated pages for these things. In order for you to create a Facebook page while you are logged into your main page, you need to go to the menu, then under create, go down to page, and then you'll be taken to the setup screen for your page. So the first step is to give your page a name, give it its category, and you can give it a bio as well, although this is optional. Once you do that, go ahead and select create page. Now it's time to finish setting up your page. So this first section here is for your information, so your contact number and your location and your opening hours. So go ahead and fill that out, then hit next. Next up, we have the customization section for your page. This is where you can add your profile picture and your cover photo. I don't have the profile picture and cover photo right now because I want to create those in Canva in a separate video and show you how to do that. So for now, we're just going to leave it as is and click next. For this section, you can go ahead and connect your WhatsApp to your page. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this section. And then you'll be taken to build your page audience. This is where you can go ahead and invite your Facebook friends to come and view your page. Now, this is where you can decide how you want Facebook to interact with you. For page notifications, I want to leave that on. But for marketing and promotional emails about my page, I want to turn that off. Then select done and your page is now created. So go ahead and take the tour if you'd like, or just select not now and everything will be ready for you here. Now that you have your new page, let me show you how you can find it when you log into Facebook and it takes you to your main account. So from your main account, go ahead and select the menu button in the top right, then go to pages. And you will see it listed under pages you manage. Go ahead and click on it and there you go. One thing to note is that while you're on the page right now, you're viewing the page as your main profile. If you want to view the page and manage it, you need to switch to it. So let's go ahead and switch to the page, and from here you will be able to edit your page, make your posts, go live, all of that. So thank you very much for watching this very short tutorial. I hope it helped you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And you can leave comments down below letting me know what you think or asking me any questions you may have. Until the next video, take care.